Looking for the ultimate home gym equipment? Ever thought about a kettlebell? The humble kettlebell is a powerhouse of versatility, ready to challenge every muscle in your body. In today's video, we're going to explore 3 transformative exercises you can perform with just this one tool. The dynamic kettlebell swing, the strength-building Turkish get-up, and the core-engaging goblet squat. Stay tuned to learn how this one piece of equipment can provide a full-body workout. First up, we have the kettlebell swing, a powerful exercise that targets multiple muscle groups. This isn't just an arm workout, it's a total body blast. To start, place your feet hip-width apart, toes slightly pointed outwards. Position the kettlebell about a foot in front of you. Now hinge at the hips, keep your back straight and grasp the kettlebell handle with both hands. The swing motion begins with a powerful hip thrust. Think of it like a pendulum. The kettlebell swings forward due to the force of your hips, not your arms. At the top of the swing, your body should be in a straight line, kettlebell parallel to the floor. Remember, maintaining proper form is crucial. It's not about how high you can swing the kettlebell, but how effectively you can utilize your hips, glutes, and core. The benefits? Improved strength, explosive power, and a serious cardio workout, all rolled into one. Once you've mastered the kettlebell swing, you're ready to move on to the next exercise. Next, we'll cover the Turkish get-up and the goblet squat, 2 exercises that will challenge your strength and balance. Let's kick things off with the Turkish get-up, a slow, deliberate exercise that engages your entire body. It's like a moving puzzle. Each piece needs to move in harmony with the others. It's a great way to build stability and control, and it's perfect for testing your balance. Now let's dive into the goblet squat. Imagine you're holding a goblet, hence the name. This squat variation is a great way to improve your squat mechanics and to engage your core. It's a simple movement, but don't be fooled. It demands strength, balance, and flexibility. Incorporating these exercises into your routine will give you a well-rounded workout. You'll feel stronger, more balanced, and more flexible. And the best part? You only need a kettlebell. With these 3 exercises, you've got a full-body workout that only requires one piece of equipment. So there you have it. 3 powerful exercises you can do at home with just a kettlebell. The kettlebell swing, Turkish get-up, and goblet squat, each offering unique benefits to your fitness journey. Kettlebells are versatile and effective, allowing you to experiment with various weights and repetitions. So give these exercises a shot and feel the difference in your strength and endurance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, and we'll see you in the next video.